Hey everyone, my name is Autumn Ray, as you might know, and for my vision board, I took a little bit more of a childish approach, if you might say. I have what I like to call dinosaur vision. All throughout my life, I have been morbidly obsessed with dinosaurs. It didn't matter if it was a cute little plastic toy, if it was a cool book full of facts, if it was a silly book about putting dinosaurs to bed. I didn't care. I wanted it all. But my true obsession sparked with Jurassic Park. That movie quite literally changed my life. What reinforced my initial idea of becoming a paleontologist as a kid. Without it, I definitely would not be like anywhere close to the kind of person I am today. So, just kind of looking back, it's amazing how much I can see it influenced my life. The problem is, an editor is what I'm going for now as a 21-year-old adult. I wimped out of the paleontologist dream, and I can't really tell you why. Maybe it was the fear of failure. Maybe it was having to spend an excessive quantity of money on schooling, because to be a paleontologist, you practically have to have a PhD. And I had never really experimented or did well in the science fields in school, but I was great at writing. I was great at editing. I loved to read books, and editing became my passion. I kind of lost my sense of wonder towards paleontology when it was finally time to make that all-important decision as an adult. However, in more recent times, I've begun to realize that the two aren't necessarily mutually exclusive. What about all those books that I loved as a child? What about all those cool movies? What about all of those things that I experienced when I was a wee girl? They involved editing. Scholastic, I Can Read, all sorts of private companies, dinosaur fact books, scientific publications, they all need editors. So in the end, I realized that getting rid of dinosaurs doesn't have to happen. They can actually be a part of my dream, even if my dream isn't quite what I thought it would have been all those years ago.